Hi friends and welcome to another video of Just Being Honest. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies using Coinhako. So Coinhako is a crypto exchange platform where it allows you to buy cryptocurrency from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. So if you want to find out more, stay tuned to this video and I will share with you how you can use Coinhako to buy your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. And before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. Before we look into the buy and sell of cryptocurrencies on Coinhako, let's look at what is the company about. So the company is founded by two persons, which is Joshua Liu and Gerald Ng. And the investor of the company of Coinhako is Tim Draper, Josh Jones, Terrence Young, and also Boost VC. So the company name is actually called Hako Technology Private Limited. And if you were to search it on MES website, you can see that the company name is over there. And the tick here is actually for them to be providing digital payment token service. For Coinhako, this is the full support tokens that they offer, whereby you're allowed to buy, sell, swap, send, and receive these tokens. Buy and sell is whereby you use your local currency to exchange it for the cryptocurrency. Swap is where you swap it from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. Send and receive is whereby you receive cryptocurrency from another wallet or you send your cryptocurrency from Coinhako to other wallet. And these are trade-only tokens whereby you're only allowed to buy and sell and swap on Coinhako and you're not able to send or receive cryptocurrencies for this. And now let's move on to the juicy part, which is the buying of the cryptocurrency. So after you have registered an account in Coinhako, and you have your details all set up in Coinhako. So in this Coinhako page itself, you go to trade. And then over here, you can see all the various cryptocurrencies and what is the buying and selling price in the market. So let's say if you want to buy Bitcoin, you click on the button here, buy. And then on this page itself, you'll be seeing the currency, which is either SGD or USD. And since I'm in Singapore, I'll be using SGD. So let's say you want to buy, spend $100 on buying Bitcoin. So you can put in $100. And then there are two payment methods. One is the Coinhako SGD wallet whereby you deposit SGD into Coinhako website. And the other method is paying with your credit or debit card. If you were to deposit money directly into Coinhako wallet, there is zero fees for deposit. But if you were to use at first, there is a fees involved. And if you were to pay using your credit or debit card, there's actually a 3% credit card payment fee. So for me, I will prefer to save on the transaction fees and then I will do it by depositing money directly into Coinhako. So here you can see I'm going to be spending $100. I'll be receiving this number of Bitcoin. The fees will be over here at the bottom where it shows you. And then the total amount that you spend for this transaction is $100. So once you click buy, the transaction goes through and then you appear under your wallet. So let's say if you decide to sell your Bitcoin, you can go to trade, click on your holdings, which is your Bitcoin, click on sell. Then here will be the balance of Bitcoin in your Coinhako wallet. So you click 100% of, that means you want to sell all your Bitcoins that you have in your Coinhako wallet. And then you'll show you how much Sing dollar they receive, or you can choose to receive it in USD. And then the amount will go into your Coinhako wallet once the sales goes through. And then there will be a fees involved, which is part of the transaction fees. And then when you click sell, eventually all your money will go into your SGD Coinhako wallet. So over here, you can see these are the various cryptocurrencies that you can buy on Coinhako. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, you have also Dogecoin, Chainlink, Uniswap. Yeah, so these are basically some of the cryptocurrencies that you can buy on Coinhako. To deposit money into your Coinhako SGD wallet, so you click on wallet here. And then here you can see SGD and then you can see USD. So I click on SGD and you click on the button deposit. So over here, it'll show you the details for doing a bank transfer to Coinhako wallet. So there are two ways to transfer. You can either do a bank transfer or you can do an X-First direct charge. But for express direct charge, there's actually a fees involved. So for me, I will use the Coinhako bank transfer instead. So I'll do a direct bank transfer. And as for the fees for Coinhako, so there are the transaction fees to buy and sell and swap cryptocurrencies. For Coinhako, they will charge 1% for every transactions to buy, sell, or swap cryptocurrencies. So if you were to spend $100 to buy a cryptocurrency, then Coinhako will take away $1 from it. And then if you were to sell away your cryptocurrencies, then Coinhako will take 1% from it. If you do fund your Coinhako SGD wallet for the bank transfer, do take note that it takes time for the transfer to go through. So let's say if you make a iBanking transfer, do note that deposits are cleared daily at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. And it should not take more than one working day to be reflected in your Coinhako account wallet. So if you were to make a deposit and it takes more than one working day to appear in your Coinhako wallet, then do reach out to Coinhako for them to look into it. And there we have it regarding buying and selling of cryptocurrencies with Coinhako. So if you are interested to sign up, you can check out my link in the description below. And if your friends have a Coinhako account, then you can also use their referral link as well. So hope you find this video useful on how to buy, sell, deposit, and hopefully you'll make money from a cryptocurrency. So hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you in some way about cryptocurrency on buying and selling through Coinhako. Also, do remember to subscribe and like this video as well. Have a great day ahead and bye bye.